friends, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shantipriya Grammar Classes. In this video, let's discuss about notice writing. Okay, so now please watch this video till end, then only you'll be able to understand the concept clearly. So those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the like button. Whatever suggestions you have, you can put it in the comment box and share my videos. You can also follow me in Instagram and Twitter also. I'll put the link of Instagram and Twitter in the description box so that you can follow me in that also. Yes. Now let us come to the topic, notice writing. How to write a notice. Okay. So now let us discuss what all we are going to learn in this topic. What is notice writing? Important points to be followed while writing a notice, format of notice writing and examples. Yeah. So first, what is a notice? A notice is a short piece of formal writing. It is used to announce events, extend invitations, give instructions or to make appeals. It should provide complete information. So it is used to announce, for announcements, for invitations, for instructions and for appeals. For that we use notice. Okay. Next, points to remember. What all should we remember while we are writing a notice? A notice must be catchy and appealing. Catchy means what? It should attract the reader's attention at once. Increase the visual appeal of your notice by using bold letters, catchy slogans, striking words and phrases, etc. Standard abbreviations are allowed. So now only the most important points should be written is AOD, that is any other detail given in the question must be included. One is free to add any relevant information not included in the question. The sentences should be short and grammatically accurate. So let us see the format of notice writing. A notice should be written in the following format. The title notice should be put, that is on the top. Notice should be kept as the title. Next, the name of the organization issuing the notice, a heading to introduce the subject of the notice, the date, the body of the notice, writer's signature, name in block letters and designation. So these all should be followed. Okay. So now let us see the sample notice writing. It is a notice from the Airfort Public School for the sake of excursion, Jammu excursion tour to Goa. Okay. So it's written on 20th October 2016. So this is the date. Now let us see the notice. What is given in the notice? The Students' Council of our school has organized a week-long educational tour to Goa during the autumn break for senior students. The touring party will leave the campus on 30th October at 7 am and will return on 6th November in the evening by 4 pm. Interested students may deposit ₹500 as tour expenses with a consent letter from their parents within 5 days, that is by 25th October to Mr. Ramesh Bhandari in the school office. For further queries, please contact the undersigned. And at the end, what they have given, submit secretary. Okay. So now if you read this sample notice writing, so first title is given, appropriate title is given, so date is given and the information is grammatically correct and accurate. Okay. And finally, who has sent this notice? Secretary. So this is given. Next, let us see another sample notice writing. So it is notice sent by St. Johnson High School, Dalhousie. So it is found regarding what is this notice? Sports kit bag. So it is written on 10th April 2016. A green sports kit bag was found on the playground on 9th April 2016 during the recess. Anyone who has misplaced a green sports bag with large pockets can collect it from the undersigned within 2 days, that is by 12th April 2016. Parth, sign. Here, what is the sign here? Partha Sarathi Mishra, head boy. He is the head boy. So what is this notice about? It is the notice about sports kit bag which was found. Actually somebody missed it. So it was found to the head boy. So it's written from which school? It is written from St. Johnson High School, Dalhousie. So this school, Dalhousie, the head boy of this school has sent this notice. Okay. On 10th April 2016. Okay. So for those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the like button. Whatever suggestions you have, you can put it in the comment box and share my videos. You can also follow me in Instagram and Twitter also. I'll put the link of Instagram and Twitter in the description box so that you can follow me in that also. Thank you very much.